Hey y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. I am Miss Katie from heritageways.com. This is Heritage House, a village homestead, and you're in my kitchen. I want to show you a quick tip today that I hope helps you as you prepare meals for yourself or your family and others. Welcome to Heritage Ways, where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. And today I want to give you a little bit of hope in the kitchen. If you're overworked or you're overtired, you have a recipe that calls for cooked shredded chicken, and you're just thinking, I do not have time to cook and shred chicken. That's fine. I want to tell you about rotisserie chickens. So if you have those available to you, or can afford those to have in your budget, they are going to be more expensive than buying a chicken and cooking it yourself. And just remember too that anything that you purchase and more has been done for you, it's going to be more expensive. So anything packaged, anything that has already been cooked for you or shredded for you or prepared for you in some way, that product is going to be more expensive. But a lot of times you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of extra money for that convenience. I know I am willing to do that a lot. Okay, a rotisserie chicken is something that you usually find in these bags. You'll find them in all sorts of grocery stores. I even found these in my small village local grocery store, IGA. Typically, they'll have them in the hot deli. They'll offer them hot or cold. So hot after they've just come out of the rotisserie oven, and cold if, they're maybe like a few hours old or even one day old. They'll put them in the cold deli section for you to take home. They range anywhere. I've seen them from $5-6 up to over $10, $12, depending on maybe where you buy them from, obviously, but also if they're organic or cage-free or that kind of thing, they're going to be more expensive. So I'm going to tell you a couple of things here that ways that rotisserie chickens can benefit you. Now, usually I see kind of small chickens. They're not going to be large. One more tip that I want to give you too is if you don't mind using plastic, if you don't mind using the plastic gloves, these are a great tip. I started using these when I had my own catering business because, you want to go that extra measure of cleanliness when you're feeding folks that are outside of your family or even inside your family. But it also helps for cleanup, easy cleanup. I used these a lot when we were on the RV too, because sometimes water was at a premium. If you wanted to, I have put these in some water. These are cold. I have put these in some water and kind of warmed them up. Not cook them, but warm them up for a little bit. And it has made that easier to debone as well. But today I'm actually going to put these in the oven, and I'm going to warm them a little bit, just enough so it will be a little bit easier to debone. You can try to do it cold, but it is a little more difficult that way. If you can debone them as soon as you get them home from the grocery store when they're warm, that's the best way. And then I've got a tip about the bones too, so stay tuned. Okay, I have a plate of shredded chicken, and I have a plate of bones from 2 chickens that I can put in a stock pot with some pure water, and I can put a little bit of vinegar in there to get the calcium and all the good nutrients out of the bones, and I can make a good healthy broth. So from the 2 rotisserie chickens, I can have several cups of cooked shredded chicken for recipes, salads, anything I need it for, and bones for broth. I hope that helped you, and I'll see you next time here at Heritage Ways. For more tips and tricks and recipes, make sure you visit this playlist, and also visit me over at heritageways.com, where you'll find a lot of content that I hope will honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope.